Okay guys, so here's a case. Alright, so to install the new Ryzen processor, Ryzen 9 5950X, I'm gonna have to remove this current Ryzen 5800X 3D, and then for installing other M.2 SSD Gen 4. Okay, so as you can see, this graphic cards, it kind of blocked the way, so I'm gonna have to remove not only the all-in-one CPU cooler pump, yeah, and I'm gonna have to remove the GPU as well. So yeah, let's get to work. Alright, so make sure you don't lose those, and good, lift this. Okay, first thing first, we'll remove the graphic cards, so that in this way we get more area to work to remove this. Okay, so there's only 2 screws holding the Ryzen, so let's get started. This thing, the kind of bracket that hold the GPU. Now I'm gonna unplug the GPU right here. Okay, this is a 12V header with 12V header cable. Alright, here's a big gigantic RTX 4080. Alright, I'm gonna put that aside right over there. Okay, so now we're gonna work in this area. Okay, to remove this pump. Alright, make sure that we don't exert any more forces, extra forces in this area, because it could damage the CPU. So all you have to do is to just loosen it. Okay, like this, and loosen this side, both sides at the same time. Okay, and it should come. Oh shit! Holy. Okay. Okay. Now let's zoom in. Alright. Let's push this lever. Pull this. Okay. A lot of space. Look at that. Oh crap. Some of the grease. So I'm gonna have to clean it. Okay, so I want to get tissue paper. Okay, Ryzen 7 5800X 3D. Okay, so let me clean this up quickly. And so this is the box. Actually keeps all the box, and this is what we got today. Okay, all right, yes. Gonna put it inside here. This the CPU that we just removed. I'll put it inside so that it is kept safely. What we need to do is, oh yeah, I went to look for this. Okay, is this thing. Alright, so you can see you have to remove this sticker. So where's the SSD? Right, PCIe 4 M.2 NVMe. Okay, here as you can see, I've used that small thing to screw it. Here it is. Alright, so before we peel this thing, okay, there's a screw here. I'm gonna have to look for that screw. Here we go. Okay. For the installation of the processor. Okay, this Ryzen 9 5950X. Just like that. Let me see if there's a dead pin. Nope. It's brand new. Okay, brand new chipset. Alright, so we'll have to find the shit, here it is. Right up there, you can see is a little gold, plated gold or whatever. There, here it is, yeah. Just right this corner, okay? This. So we have to locate that on the motherboard. Okay, just like this, it's seated correctly. So I had to give it a proper, right? Just push this. Okay, so you will feel it when you hold it in your hand. You will feel it when it feels like it's seated. Okay, when you align it, it just get into its place. Now don't push, don't apply any pressure on it, because we don't want to bend any pins. This is Cooler Master. Okay, we're gonna use this Cooler Master, high performance or whatever. I paid for this one RS rupees 400. So I put I screw this thing in the correct way as possible. Okay, so it's like that. Now all I gotta do is to one goes here, other one goes right. So now you can use a screwdriver just to, don't tighten it too much. Let the pump breathe. Alright, there we go, the pump installed. Now I'm gonna this the cable. Alright, just like that. Okay, and you can unlock this. Okay, downward, upward. Okay, so you can adjust. And where's those screws? Okay guys, so as you can see, we've installed the Ryzen 5950X, and we've also installed an M.2 SSD, okay, Gen 4. Time we connect all this thing back, okay. Alright, so we've got first new CPU install, FTP NV blah blah blah, press N to keep previous FMTP and continue use FM. Okay, so press Y. Okay, so this will restart the PC. Yeah. Alright, so after install new CPU, after pressing Y to reset the TPM, it says your pin is no longer available due to a change in setup new pin. Alright, so yeah guys, thumbs up. Work.